IBMasters Learning Center at IBMasters.com. And today we're going to look at the 25th question from the Linear Digital SAT. Test 1, Module 2, number 25 reads, in order to prevent non-native fish species from moving freely between the Mediterranean and Red Seas, marine biologist Bella Galil has proposed that a saline lock system be installed along the Suez Canal in Egypt's Great Bitter Lakes. The lock would increase the salinity of the lakes and blank a natural barrier of water most marine creatures would be unable to cross, which completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English. Now, if you notice, I put a slash after the word would, and I underline the word increase. What we get in our answer choices are verbs. There's two things to check for when a verb is underlined. One is tense, whether it's past, present, or future. The other is subject-verb agreement, whether the verb is singular or plural based on the subject. Enter parallelism. So there's another concept that we typically is just in line with the other two, particularly verb tense, which is if you've got a list or a comparison, the corresponding sentence parts have to have the same structure. So you'd say, hey, is this a list or a comparison? It's actually a list. The lock would do two things. Number one, it would increase. That's number one. And number two, it would what? It would create. So now the subject, what is it? It's lock. Then you would say the lock creates, not the lock create. But we have would there. You would not say the lock would creates. You'd say the lock would create. You would not say the lock would creating a natural barrier. You would not say the lock would create a natural barrier. Your correct answer here is B. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, like, you can share it with someone who has difficulty with the subject for improvement. Is there any question you'd like to answer from any official SAT or ACT? Leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a good day.